What's up, y'all? It's your girl Asian. I'm back with another video. Today's not a glitz and glam. Today is a clean with me. I have to have everything clean, everything washed before the New Year's. Washed almost all my clothes last night. Closet, it needs some real organizing going on. Come with me to do it. So, but it's just so much stuff, and I really need to organize, like, and all my stuff is not even in here because it's not big enough for me, of course. So hopefully when I move, I get a big closet. But and what's crazy is, as I'm explaining to y'all that I'm gonna clean my closet out, my mom gonna text me and say we need to clean this refrigerator. Okay guys, so this is my refrigerator, and it will start making noises. So we're just gonna get okay guys, so I officially decluttered everything. I took out every single piece in this refrigerator, cleaned it really good. So now it's time to pack everything up. Even the light in the refrigerator have just turned off, so it's time to repack, get rid of some things, and get into the video. I just finished, not done, not completely done, because it's just like organizing my closet. So this little baby right here, I do not, y'all, I don't want this in my closet, but I don't know where else to put it, so I decided to put it in my closet. These are my whites, my denims, blues, whatever, pink, red, whatever, orange, greens, browns, blacks, and grays. And these are all my jackets. These are my sweatsuits. Those are like my church / event things back there. These are some of my Jordans. I got rid of a lot of Jordans, so I don't wear any. These are some of my designers up here. And yeah, it's pretty. This right here is actually the first outfit ever that I took pictures in. Probably, I don't know how old I was, but my mom does not get rid of stuff like that. So these are my shoes when I was a kid, right there. And those, so I normally just keep that up there. And that's like a trophy that I won in a pageant or something. I don't really know, but yeah. This is my closet. It looked way better. And this down here, this bag right here is all wigs, like all of my wigs. When I move, I'm gonna have everything like really set up and cute. But y'all know this closet is not that big. Like it's a decent size, but it's not big enough for me to do all that. So right now I think it looks pretty good. Let me back up so y'all can see a little bit more. Stuff that I keep, like all my other purse, like certain things just not gonna make it in my closet. So it's so much. So I have a lot of stuff over here as well. So so I have a lot of stuff to do, but I'm not gonna record every single thing, so I'm gonna end it right here. Trying to really prepare myself for the new year. So if you like this video, oh my god, my hair, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of me cleaning.